Cooking is more than a task, it's an experience. The tools you use in the kitchen significantly impact the flavor, quality, and ease of preparing your favorite meals. If you're searching for the perfect balance between tradition and modern convenience, this BIELMEIER carbon steel wok might just be what your kitchen needs. Designed for versatility, durability, and health-conscious cooking, this wok stands out in a crowded market. A healthier choice for every kitchen. One of the most appealing aspects of the BIELMEIER wok is its focus on healthy cooking. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that often rely on harmful Teflon coatings, this wok employs a nitriding process that is completely free of toxic substances like PFAS and PFOA. This natural, non-stick surface enhances your ability to create delicious meals without excess oils, keeping your dishes lighter and healthier. From stir-fried vegetables to pan-seared proteins, you can confidently serve your family, knowing this cookware is as safe as it is effective. Built to last, durability meets efficiency. When it comes to durability, the BIELMEIER carbon steel wok sets the bar high. Made from premium carbon steel, this wok is designed to withstand high heat, making it perfect for a wide range of cooking methods, like stir-frying, searing, roasting, and even baking. Its even heat distribution ensures consistent cooking, so every ingredient is perfectly done without hot spots or uneven textures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, the reliability of this wok simplifies your cooking process. Versatility at its finest. One of the standout features of this wok is its flat bottom design, which makes it compatible with all types of cooktops: gas, electric, ceramic, and even induction. Whether you're whipping up an authentic Asian stir-fry or experimenting with Western recipes, this wok can handle it all. It's perfect for searing meats for that perfect char, stir-frying fresh vegetables with a delightful crunch, roasting nuts or spices for richer flavors, deep-frying crispy snacks. With a 12.5-inch diameter, the wok offers enough space to cook for 3 to 6 people, making it ideal for family dinners or small gatherings. Exquisite craftsmanship. The wire-brushed finish on the interior and exterior surfaces is not only visually appealing, but also functional. This finish enhances the wok's natural non-stick properties while giving it a polished and professional look. It's a blend of utility and style, ensuring your kitchenware is as beautiful as it is practical. Additionally, the wok comes with a durable lid that helps lock in moisture and flavors, making it an excellent choice for slow-cooking dishes or steaming. The sturdy handle offers a comfortable grip, so you can maneuver the wok easily, even during high-heat cooking. To get the best out of your BIELMEIER carbon steel wok, proper care is essential. Pre-seasoning. Before using the wok for the first time, season it to enhance its non-stick properties naturally. Avoid acidic foods initially. In the first week, steer clear of cooking acidic ingredients like tomatoes or vinegar, as they can interfere with the nitrogenized surface. Dry thoroughly. After each use, dry the wok completely to prevent rusting. A light coating of oil can also help maintain its surface. Why choose the BIELMEIER carbon steel wok? With so many cookware options on the market, the BIELMEIER carbon steel wok shines because of its unique features. 1. Health-conscious design. Free from harmful coatings, making it safe for you and the environment. 2. Versatility. Compatible with all cooktops and suitable for a variety of cooking techniques. 3. Durability. High-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. 4. Elegant craftsmanship. Aesthetic appeal paired with functional design. 5. Ease of use and maintenance. Designed for both convenience and longevity. What customers are saying. Many users rave about the BIELMEIER wok's versatility and performance. Common praises include its ability to heat evenly, reducing cooking times, the natural non-stick surface which eliminates the need for excessive oils, the sturdy build and attractive design which make it a pleasure to use. Some users also appreciate the detailed instructions on care and seasoning, which ensure the wok remains in peak condition. Final thoughts. The BIELMEIER carbon steel wok is more than just a cooking tool. It's a gateway to healthier, more enjoyable meals. Its combination of safety, durability, and functionality makes it a standout choice for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing traditional Asian dishes or experimenting with new recipes, this wok is a dependable partner that delivers exceptional results every time. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your cooking game. Click the link in the description to explore the full product specifications and see why this wok deserves a place in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.